Hapoh berkelat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang Peit mentah pada Friday. Kam no ke cengcar am. Tip show kan long kom na lada. Yap sama na mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kacong pi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel. Kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Menteri rang ba ka jela ukan rat ke sangma hak arpnyo terik jembang a japan rio. Ulakan tat ya ka jingkeno jong presiden ka seng kongres uba Vincent H Pala. Baka NPP kan sakhi ya ka jingkan an. Hadin ke election Raja Sabha. Ulakan tuyu ba Pala pun Peit ka Jingorpait Hapoh seng kongres oman bisyar ya sam jong kiwei. Hak jingkan begelap thai khubor usang mau loong. Baka jing kam jong ka NPP kamlang banchu ai hukum bet na jrong. Rai karukom trikam jong ka parti kadai bay trailang bat ka badanru ika jing snothu jingmon.
We have been very clear that when it comes to the National People's Party, we are very democratic in our process. There is no concept of high command coming in and bulldozing a decision. You will see that in most of the issues and cases that are there is always a very positive, critical, and a constructive discussion that takes place before we finalize on anything. And yes, in that meeting, we'll say everything that we want to say, even if it means that I don't agree with you. And that's how our healthy democracy works. And that's how we believe, and the principle on the basis of which we as a party, and even in governance, that we are moving forward. So therefore, let me assure Mr. Pala that he doesn't have to worry about the any kind of cracks in the NPP. I mean, maybe he has to see more of the cracks in Congress, but definitely we are here to work together. But yes, we have our views, we have our opinions. That is natural for any individual. But at the end of the day, we will do what is in the best interest of the party, and more importantly, what is in the best interest of the state. Keep in mind the coming Rajya Sabha elections. We're very clear. It is going to be a democratic process again, and all the party members, all the party MLAs, most importantly, who are going to be the main voters, will sit down and discuss, and then decide on how we should move forward.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.